What's up, folks? It's Don the Average Joe coming at you with another average video. Right, I'm here in my living room. Right, I am chilling here in my living room. Right, and I'm gonna be doing another average video today. Actually, I'm not doing a cooking video today. I'm doing a mukbang style eating video. Right, with some leftovers. Right, I cooked some food yesterday. You know, I made some vegetable rice with coconut milk and mixed vegetables, of course. And I made some curry chicken wings with potatoes, carrots, and all that good stuff in there. Right? So that's what I'm going to be having for dinner today. Some leftovers.
Bessie, don't make me ball this bitch up on you. You were acting up last night. Right? You were acting up last night. As a matter of fact, no. I'm sorry, Bessie. I ain't going to dedicate this one to you. I'm going to dedicate this one to that damn Afalabi. Right? He been acting up. So I'm going to ball this bitch up on Afalabi. And next time I see him, I'm gonna ball this bitch up on him, right? I'm gonna slap the shine like this, you know what I'm saying? Slap the shine like that, you know what I'm talking about? That's it. That's what's gonna happen after when I see him. Anyway, back to my regular schedule program, you know?
You know, Don the Average Joe style, right? Mukbang style, you know? Run board vlog, I think this is run board vlog 11, something like that, you know? But, you know, y'all know, y'all see the videos I made a couple of days ago that I posted, you know? But, anyways, like I said, I'm about to have this this meal. I'm gonna enjoy it. And you know, hope y'all enjoy with me, right? Let me say my grace. Thank you, dear Lord, for this food I'm about to eat. In Christ's name, amen. Amen. All right. My thumbnail. yeah, or that one. Better thumbnail right there, or this one right here. This is a good thumbnail, like that. All right. Okay. So anyway, like I said, I got my curry chicken with vegetable rice and a big old cup of water. My big green cup. Y'all see what's going on in there? Actually, that's actually half. That's 3/4 water and a little bit of juice, right? Because I don't really drink juice straight up anymore. You know, I'm trying to cut that out. You know, so this is majority of water in my cup. Yes, very refreshing. All right, so here we go. Got my big ass spoon. My big ass spoon right there. So we go. I'm about to enjoy my dinner. It's nice and hot. Very flavorful. On my rice, I usually when I do cook all my rice, I put coconut milk in it. Or coconut powder, because I love that coconut flavor. Right? And of course my rice, again, I burned the bottom a little bit. Right? And you know it's Jamaican, right? We love our pot bottom. We call it bun bun. Right? So I got some bun in there, nice and crunchy on the bottom. I know Spanish people got a different name for it. I know what everybody else calls it. You know, but I know Spanish people like their rice this way, when the bottom is like kind of burnt a little bit. And it's crunchy, right? So that's my favorite part of rice. My curry chicken, nice and tasty, very flavorful. You know, and I got my favorite stuff in there. Right, it's a little spicy. Right, I got some hot sauce in there. Right, I mean my special whatchamacallit pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. So I cut up a whole bunch of Scotch bonnet pepper and put in a container with some vinegar and put some other you know, onions and other peppers and scallions in there, and it's sitting in my cabinet, you know, so when I do need it, it's sitting right there and I have it to my disposal. Right, so this food right here is nice and spicy, you know, and delicious. Because not only did I make add curry to it, I also add turmeric. I add turmeric to all my food, and turmeric is very good for you. You can also taste the pimento spice in there also. Ooh, hot. Yeah, steam that's coming out of there. Yeah, it's steamy. Yeah, I try not to eat a lot of rice, especially nowadays. Right, so this right here is usually 2 spoons of rice. 2 spoons of rice. The rest is all meat and potatoes and carrots and so on and so forth. Lots of veggies. It's all mixed up in there. I just been on a big old piece of ginger. Oh yeah, that's the other thing I usually put in my meat when I do cook ginger. Of course, ginger and all that stuff gives a very good flavor. My pimento seeds, you know, gives also that cinnamon flavor. You know, allspice seeds. I have a crushed one, the crushed seeds, pimento seeds, and then the allspice seeds, and the regular one, which is in the bottle, that look like little beads. You know, add both of them to my dish. And of course, it doesn't seem like a lot of food. This doesn't seem like a lot of food at all. You know, even though I'm a big guy, you know, I don't eat a lot because my stomach gets full real fast. Stop talking and do some more eating. I love my rice with lots of gravy on it. I eat both and every damn thing. Even that bone is delicious. Oh my goodness, dude, I just don't know. That bone got so much flavor in it. So steamy. So spicy. So good. That bone right there, I'm about to crack in this bone. Took all the good stuff out of it. Bone. It'll suck juice out of that damn bone. Yeah, baby. Sucks juice out of that damn bone. Bone is so damn good, make me want to slap your damn mama. I mean, I'm not literally gonna slap my mama. I'll slap my mama. There's some consequences and repercussion that I'm gonna have to deal with. I'm an old man.
Oh, shit! Wow! Fuck, you got my foot down there. Oh, you go? Yeah, get that! Swing on, left, right. That's what yellow broke. Bye! Quick. I'm trying to do nothing!
I don't cuss around my dear mama. My mom put so much fear in me, boy. I don't cuss around my mama. Grew up a good boy. I gotta take a drink, though. Ooh. Oh, yeah, excuse me. Yeah, it was solid. That was a solid ass burp. Gotta chew on the bones. Gotta chew on the bones, boy. All that season and everything. All them juices inside that bone, so you gotta chew them damn bones. This daggone food so good. Not too spicy, but spicy enough. Clean out my sinuses. My nose starting to run. You know, my sinuses all cleared up and stuff like that. That's some good food. Look at them bones. Bones right there. Hell yeah. Gotta eat all them damn bones. Ooh, I'm starting to sweat too. Shit. Stuff cussing, y'all. But this is good ass leftover. Some good ass leftover. I love leftovers. I can eat leftovers this daggone time of day. I mean, all daggone leftovers. I eat them. I tear them leftovers up. Another bone I just chewed up. Gotta eat all them bones. Yeah, boy. So, folks, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, comment on this video. Right? Go to my website. Get a t-shirt. I don't have a t-shirt to show y'all right now, but you know, get y'all Don the Average Joe t-shirts, right? From DonTheAverageJoe.com, right? And make sure y'all give a thumbs up, you know, like this video. This man right here, Don the Average Joe, this man can cook. And guess who taught this man how to cook? His mama. His mama taught him how to cook. right. Look at them bones right there. See all them bones? Yeah. Look at everything's all eaten, chewed up and everything. All right. That's a good ass chicken. Yeah, so like I was saying a little while ago. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. That was a good ass burp. Yeah, boy. Like I was saying earlier, yeah, my mom taught me how to cook. My mom taught me how to cook from a young tender age of 17, maybe a little younger. But I was always in the kitchen with my mama since I was young, little boy growing up. I was always in the kitchen with my mama, you know, watching her cook, watching her skills, you know. And I'm talking about this was back then, when I was growing up in the island. You know, we didn't have the regular amenities like we do now, modern amenities like we do now. We cooked outside on a coal stove, right? And we did that for a couple of years until we got our new house. And we had all, you know, the kitchen on the inside, all the, you know, modern amenities and whatnot. You know, but you're cooking outside on the wood stove, coal stove. That was some of the best daggone cooking food you ever tasted, right? And that aroma used to, you know, smell the whole daggone yard, the whole house and the whole yard, because we all lived, cousins, aunts, uncle. We all had a big piece of land. My grandpa provided for us, so we all lived next door to each other. You know, so once you hit that yard, you can smell the aroma of all the daggone house. My aunts, my uncle, everybody's cooking right on the outside. All right. So I've been hanging on to my mom's frock tail, as they say in Jamaica, you know, since then, and watching her cook, you know, watching her skills, you know, how she does her cooking. My mom was never a baker, but you know, she loved to cook. You know, of course, my favorite meal is stew peas and rice. All right, stew peas and rice, but with no pig still in there because I don't eat pork. You know, but when I do make my stew peas, you know, I put in there smoked turkey neck and some chicken feet, right? But yeah. So, like I said, I love my cooking skills from my mama. She taught me well, and here I am cooking for myself. Right? I do most of the cooking in the house, of course. My wife, she does cook, but I do most of the cooking in the house. Even though she does make better red snapper than I do. Right? She has perfected that. I haven't perfected that yet, but I do other things.
What's the father fall out in the car? Shit. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm like, I got bad gas or something. You sure do. No shit. I don't think it was some pancakes I had or something. No, it wasn't no pancakes. Cause pancakes ain't rotting in your belly. That fast shit. Something crawl up in your ass and died or something. You smell like cat shit. Damn. Take it open my mouth. Your ass done shitted. You lying. You done shitted in your clothes. There ain't no food to fart. That's like. Open this window. And my window don't work. Girl, open the window for real though. Open the damn window. The window don't work. All I'm supposed to get is fixed. How can all that stink come out your little ass? I can see what ass big as mine. Hell, dog. Too much stink coming out of it. Shit. I'm so stinky. I'm icing it. Sorry. You turn the vent on. No, the vent don't work either. See, you lying to me. No, I'm not serious. No, my stomach hurt and you here yelling at me like, hell yeah, you stink ass. What the fuck you think? I'm yelling at you showing else because you killing me. Hell, I'm not playing with you stink ass out for you. Grandma, oh my God. Have mercy. Grandma. This is what you call some thick funk. It's so thick you're about to cut my nose open.
You know, clean, iron, all that stuff. All that. I'm a domesticated man. You know, put it all in a nutshell. But anyway, I'm not gonna keep on rambling on. You know, thank y'all watching my mukbang, segment. All right, I'm not doing no cooking today. I'm just eating. You know, my dinner. This is my dinner. That's my meal for the evening. All right. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, comment, give me a thumbs up. Check out my website, Don the Average Joe. Copy yourself a T-shirt, and check out my other channel. You know, Don the Vehicle Don. You know, check out my car stuff. You know, because not only do I love food, I also love cars. All right. So thanks for watching. One love. God bless.